Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the path too long error in Windows 11. This error usually happens when a file or folder path exceeds the system limit. The first method is the quickest. You can try shortening the file or folder path. Start by renaming your files or folders to make the names shorter. You should also check the parent folders and make them shorter if possible. The second method involves enabling long paths in Windows 11. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type gpedit.msc and press Enter. This will open the Group Policy Editor. From here, go to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, and select System. After that, choose File System. In the right pane, look for an option called Enable Win32 Long Paths. Double-click it to open its settings. Now, select Enabled and click Apply, then OK. To make this change take effect, restart your PC. After the restart, Windows 11 will allow longer file paths, and the error should be gone. These steps should help you fix the path too long error quickly. Thanks for watching.